Quote, it's just food. It's not just food. If you look at what's happening in the tissue in these animals when you put them on a ketogenic diet, if you look at what happens when you simply add ketones to cells you're growing in the lab, the changes in the molecular biology of the cells and the genes and the epigenetics in the energetics of these cells is huge. People hear diet and they think, oh, you're working on diet. What diet should I use? I've heard that I should have coffee, but I shouldn't have this because it's going to give me cancer. I shouldn't have that if it's going to give me cancer. And of course, there's a million different things out there that all say different things. And that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about what happens at the cellular level in exactly the same way that medication is talking what happens at the cellular level. And people don't always understand that we're talking about a metabolic therapy in every sense of the word, not just, oh, I shouldn't eat, burnt hot dogs from a grill, it'll give me cancer. And I think that's kind of a battle that we have to fight to make people understand it's not just food, it is a metabolic therapy. So we took the brain tumor and we took the non-tumor containing side of the brain and we looked at overall genetic expression, overall gene changes. And they're very, very different in the normal brain versus the tumor tissue. So clearly the tumor cells but certainly because of their aberrant metabolism, handle the things we're doing differently. The really nice thing is that when you do these things, it appears to make the normal cells do better and the tumor cells do worse. Talk about a holy grail of therapy. We have a belief, we don't have anything published yet, we don't have any hard data, but my belief, which goes along with many other people, is that the ketogenic diet probably is helping protect the normal tissue from some of the ravages of therapy. I would never ever suggest the diet without therapy. I think it's going to be useful as an adjuvant with other therapies. It's going to make them better. I think it's going to help protect the normal tissue. But I'm not really convinced that alone it's going to do what we want it to do. But if it protects the normal tissue and makes the tumor tissue do worse, that's awesome.